Happy 1 year anniversary, YouTube! We started out with Bro Thor Lego and in our bedroom, and now we're here with 2 more Legos. First, a Ghost Rider with the car and its cool looking face.
This is the Johnny Blaze Ghost Rider with the car.
Yeah, and Robbie Reyes.
This is Johnny Blaze. That's Robbie Reyes.
And then the cool mechanized, what was his name?
Johnny Blaze.
With his mech and cool motorcycle.
And
now, let's build!
It also has this cool little Ghost Rider symbol in the corner.
Which is cool. And we're back! You saw us building all the Legos with the Carnage, the Spider-Man, the Johnny Blaze Ghost Rider, and the other Ghost Rider that I already forgot the name.
This is Johnny Blaze, this is Robbie Reyes.
Mech Ghost Rider, Ghost Rider vehicle, car, and his webbed punches.
Look at the car do this.
Oh! It's like... And the flames were optional on this, but I still put them on the wheels to make them be cool. And thank you for all of our 108 subscribers.
And the Legos this Lego was really hard to build because at first we built it backwards, and then we had to rebuild it forwards. This Lego was cool though because this front thing right here look really cool.
And I really like this guy's face more than his because his is skeletal, but this guy's look like it's a robot!
But this is my favorite Ghost Rider because it's Johnny Blaze Ghost Rider.
Yeah, that's my favorite too. Just I like this face, but I really like them all! With these cool flames in the back.
I like the car because the way it's tilted. And
so you can do this.
I'm pretty sure on the package it has it driving like this-ish.
That's really cool.
And the Carnage looks really cool.
With all these cool Carnage things coming out of him, which is cool, but that is very just cool. But they should have made this red instead of black, like regular old Venom.
Well, it is half Venom, half Carnage-ish.
Yeah. And I really like these.
I really like all of them.
Me too. With this cool chain thing I made around his chest, but it's not supposed to come off of it. The mech unless the Ghost Rider's out.
But this chain thing is also
his
around
weapon.
Him. No, look around him. So yeah, you got it right.
That is epic.
This is the same thing. And boom. And then the mech. You can't. The mech doesn't have bendable knees. It just looks like this.
He's like, I won't bend my knees for nothing.
Oh yeah, you can do this. There we go. He also has bear claws.
Yeah, he's like, I'm gonna bear claw you.
And grab. Bear grab the thing.
And happy anniversary.
Happy 1 year anniversary on YouTube.
And thank you. All of our 108 subscribers for subscribing to us.
And supporting to us. And keep subscribing. And keep supporting. So we can have more videos.
Of Legos. More anniversaries. Of Lego Marvel maybe.
And other stuff.
So guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell.
Follow us on Twitter at the Funky Play Bros. Follow us on Instagram and TikTok at the Funky Play Brothers.
Support our vlog at cashapp at the $ Funky Play Brothers. So yeah, more unboxings, more taste tests, more adventures, more monies, and for support.
Thank you
for watching. Bye.